Hello everyone, I'm going to show the demo version of your ultimate health partner. You need to put your age here. I'll say 34 years old. You need to select your gender, male, female or other. Weight, you need to put your weight here, 45 kg. Centimeter, height in centimeter, 155 centimeter. Next step, you need to select your blood group, any of which you belong to, and you need to select your activity level, select your dietary preferences, suffering from fever. You need to select generate health report in order to generate your general report. Analyzing by profile, this may take 9 to 11 seconds. Okay, it came faster. And here is your health report based on your input data, and this is health index. Out of 100 you scored 75. It will show here. In the output you are seeing here is data verified via Google search grounding. You can listen to the AI summary by clicking the play summary button.
You possess an incredible foundation of health as a dedicated athlete, which is truly admirable. While this fever is a temporary hurdle,
And you can also read a blood type analysis, the science of blood groups. Here you can find like the history of blood system, RH factor, which determines your blood group traits and suspectabilities. You can read the blogs, wellness wisdom. The